Hello everyone, my name is Prince. Today I have made a tutorial on alerted paper bag. I took this paper bag and gave a coat of clear gesso. Once it is dried, I use the stencil from Craft Angles and mix media paste from Little Birdie to create some texture. I also used another stencil from Stamploration. Then I stamped here and there using some clear stamps from Finnabair and archival ink. Now I glued some old book pages on the bag with clear gesso. Once it is dried, I put some burlap with the help of gel medium. Then I added some cheesecloth on my bag. Then I colored my bag I mixed sprinkle mist. Once it is dried, I sprinkle some white acrylic paint. Then I glued some coconut coir with gel medium. Then I glued a picture on a cardboard and fixed on the back. Then for decoration, I used some burlap flowers, deco stones and sentiment. Isn't it looking beautiful? Let me know your views on my video in the comments below. Thank you. Let me know your views on my video in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. See ya.